Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, January 27th, 2023. We're starting this week's episode of the wrap-up with a flashback to last weekend when our Los Al wrestling team brought home third place overall in the Sunset League Finals lower level division. 21 LAHS wrestlers placed in the lower level competition. Stay tuned as the Varsity Sunset League will take place next Saturday, February 4th. In other LAHS news, on Monday, our Griffins hosted their annual Winter Assembly. The assembly featured highlights from winter sports as well as a special performance from varsity song and boys basketball. Additional highlights included a bouncy ball race between classes, with the freshman class taking first place, and a special introduction of the winter formal court. And of course, no assembly would be complete without the roller coaster. In middle school news, we're proud to announce that McAuliffe musicians Austin Chung and Rory Young earned positions in the 2023 California All-State and Junior High Honor Jazz Band. Both students will perform at the California Music Educators Convention in February, representing what is the top middle school jazz band in California. In elementary news, kindergartners at both Lee and Rossmoor received a very special visit from Zero the Hero, who helped them celebrate the 100th day of school. Zero, who's also known to many as Papa, and our board president, Chris Forehand, surprised students with special 100 day of school pencils and even presented teachers with a special medal for surviving 100 days of kindergarten with their students. Special celebrations took place in classrooms, and we cannot believe we've already hit the 100-day mark. Speaking of Rossmoor, as part of their House Challenge, students and staff recently held a Pennies for Puppies fundraiser to support Guide Dogs of America. Over the past few weeks, our nights raised over $820, and today we're rewarded with a special visit from their puppy friends. The dogs and their trainers visited classrooms where students were able to learn all about service dogs and how they train. And last but certainly not least, our McGaugh Sea Lions were busy this week. They hosted their annual jog-a-thon on Friday, which raised nearly $60,000 thanks to the generous donations from the Sea Lion community. Our Sea Lions also celebrated the Lunar New Year this week with a special dragon and lion parade. Dancers and students even got to practice their Chinese yo-yo skills. Well, that's the wrap-up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.